This video describes how to find bit version of Excel 2010 or Excel 2013. You will need this information during the process of downloading Power Query as an add-ins for Excel 2010 or Excel 2013. Open Excel 2010. Click File tab. Then press Help button. You will find information about Excel 2010 to the right side of the screen. Under the heading, About Microsoft Excel, you can find the bit version for this Excel product, which is 32-bit. It may be 32-bit or 64-bit for your Excel product. Close Excel 2010. And now open Excel 2013. Click File tab. Then hit Account button. Press About Excel button. On the next dialog, you will find your desired information, which is 32-bit, in this case 2. Click OK, and close the Excel application.